What's up, money makers, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make $50 by simply writing reviews on your phone. I'm not only going to be showing you guys how to make the money, I'm going to show you guys proof right now in this video. But if you're new here right here on my channel, my name is Ola, and what I simply do right here is share with you tips and strategies to help you make money online. So if you're someone who's interested in making money online, make sure you smash that subscribe button right now, like this video right now, don't forget to go join our WhatsApp community group down in the description. So with that said and do right now, let's drive in. Yeah guys, like I said earlier, I told you I'm going to be showing you guys proof. So you can see right here, these are screenshots of a lot of people who are cashing out from the website I'm about to review to you, and I'm about to show you right now. So right now I want you to please pay maximum attention to this video. If you are doing anything right now, make sure you skip it, pay attention to what I'm about to teach you right now. If you know you want to learn how to make the exact same amount of money you are seeing on my screen, I want you to pay attention to this video. So right now, the first thing you need to do right now is to click on the first link in the description right now. So once you click on the first link in the description, it's going to take you to this website. So it's going to bring you up to this straight to this website. You can see right here, this is the name of the website we're going to be using to make money by simply writing reviews on your phone. So the first thing you need to do right now is to create an account on this website. Like I said, make sure you use the link in the description, and please pay close attention to this video because this website is kind of complicated. So I'll be walking you through how you could literally make money on this website. So right now, just click up this video because you are just seeing the website. I want you to please pay maximum attention to this because we are going to be teaching you how you could literally cash out right now, because once you are done watching this video, you'll be able to cash out your earnings straight up. So that's the reason why I told you guys to please pay close attention to this. So right now, click on the register button right now, and it's going to take you to a page where you could literally create an account for yourself. So you can see right here, all you need right now is to click on this create an account. So once you click on the create account button right here, you will be asked to fill in your email address, put in your password, and once you're done with that, just click on create an account. And once you're done with that, an email and confirmation email is going to be sent to your email straight up. So it's going to ask you to verify your account. So once you verify your account, you'll be able to log in into your account. So right now, I'm going to assume you guys already created an account on this platform. So right now, I'm going to be teaching you what next to do. So guys, I just logged into my account right now, and once you're done creating your account, this is how your account is going to look like. Like I said, I would advise you use the link in the description, because once you use the link in the description, you're going to be credited 30 points right here. Like I said, I'll be showing you guys how to make money on this website. So once you are already created your account on this website, in order to start making money, the first thing you need to right now is to scroll down a little bit right now. Like I said, if you don't know what this website is going to pay you to write reviews. And I know you guys may be thinking, okay, why do they want to pay us to write review? Is because the reason is because, you know, a lot of big companies right here need people to write reviews about their company. So once you guys write reviews about the companies, those who are new to the platform or those who are new to the company, they'll be able to trust this company, be able to, you know, patronize them. So that is the reason why this website is going to pay us to literally write reviews right now. So in order to start writing reviews, all you need right now is to click on the second link. So I'll be leaving two links in the description. The first link is to create an account. Once you click on the second link in the description, it's going to take you to this page. So it's going to take you to this page right here where you could start writing reviews for yourself and start making money for yourself. So all you need right now is to scroll down a little bit right now. So scroll down a little bit. You're going to see a page right here. You can see right here, this is what I'm talking about. So you're going to see a place where you're asked to start writing reviews. So just click on start writing reviews, and it's going to take you to a place where you could write reviews for big companies that you guys are really familiar with. And like I said, it's not compulsory you must be familiar with the company. Even if you do not know the company, just make sure you leave a good review to the company. Like I said, I'm going to be using this company as an example right now. I'll be using this company as an example. Just click on the company right now. So I'm going to be writing a review for this company right here. So you are going to be asked to choose if you are familiar with the country. Just click on yes, I have. So you just click on yes, and once you're done with that, it's going to take you to the next page. So this is the page where you'll be asked, you know, to write the review. So this is where we're going to be making the money from. So you can see right here, there are a lot of people who are doing the same thing I'm about to teach you guys right here. There are a lot of people who are writing reviews for this company, and they are all getting paid. So now to write review right now, just click on leave a review. So once you click on this leave a review right now, it's going to take you to the next page. So all you need right now, I want you guys to give the company 5 stars. So just rate them 5 stars, and here I'm going to explain more on the company. So you could literally be like, okay, this company has been one of my favorite company out there. You could literally just try to crack up something, trying to give them good review. Like I said, the more review you know write on this website, the more money you make. Like I said, so all you just need is to write simple reviews, and once you're done with that, you need to scroll down a little bit, then make sure you give them 5 stars, 5 stars. So they're going to ask you, how do you want to rate the experience of their customer service? So you could literally say good customer services. How do you want to certify their product? You just make sure you give them good, give them good ratings. So, and once you're done with that, once you have, make sure you complete all these processes. So once you're done with that, you're going to click on this submit button right here at the corner right here. You're going to see the submit button. So once you click on the submit button right here, your review is going to be processed. And I want you guys to take note of this. In order to make money from this website, it's going to take them 24 hours in order to credit your point. So let me show you what I mean by that. Let me quickly show you what I mean by that. So you could see right here, it is stated that you could get trust point anytime you write a review. So what this point is you could literally redeem this point for money. So like I said, you could redeem this point for money. So you could literally redeem this point for gift card. You could see right here, you could literally redeem this point for gift card, Amazon gift card. And in order to withdraw from this platform, you need to have at least $5 threshold. And like I said, in less than some hours, you'll be able to cash out from this website. That's the reason why I want you guys to please pay close attention. So right now, in order to have in order to have $5 gift card, you need to have at least a minimum of 55 points right here. And you see right here, I only got 30 points. The reason I got 30 points is because I just withdraw my remaining point for card. And I know you guys may be thinking, okay, how can I turn this gift card to cash? So in order to turn this gift card to cash, all you need right now is to send me a DM on WhatsApp. Like I said, that is the reason why I told you guys to go join our WhatsApp community group earlier. So you can literally message me from the WhatsApp. So only message me once you know you have reached the threshold. That is the $5 or the $10 threshold on this website. So once you have reached the $5 or $10 or the $15 threshold, you just click on this claim button and you'll be able to redeem your Amazon gift card. So I'll be able to, just all you need right now is to send me the Amazon gift card and I will redeem it for you. Then I will send you the equivalent amount in Naira. So if you are watching this video in Nigeria, or you are watching this video from South Africa or anywhere in Africa, if you know you want to redeem your points, if you know you want to redeem your gift card, make sure you send me a DM on WhatsApp. But if you are watching this video from the USA, from Canada, anywhere else, you can usually claim this gift card, use it to buy anything on Amazon, and it's going to be delivered to you. Like I said, if you have gotten any value from the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video to your friends so that your friends and family can also benefit from this website. So one thing I want you guys to take note of is, once you reach the threshold on this website, so it's going to take them 24 hours in order to send you your gift card. So it's going to take them 24 hours. So also, once you write a review on this website, it's going to take them another 24 hours to credit your point to you. So once you credit your point to you, this is where your point is going to appear. So you're going to see your point right here. All you just need right now is to come over to this place, refresh this change, keep on refreshing, keep on checking back every single day, and you're gonna see your points. So once you have accumulated some points, you could then redeem them for gift card. So you could either redeem them for $5 gift card, $10 gift card, or $15 Amazon gift card. Like I said, only send me a DM if you know you have reached the threshold to cash out on this website. So I'm going to be redeeming your gift cards to cash, and I'm going to be sending you the equivalent in Naira. So like I said, if I've gotten any value from the video, make sure you like the video, subscribe to my channel right now, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to go join our WhatsApp community group down in the description. So guys, if you want to learn more ways you could try use to make your first $100 online, I would advise you go join my Make Money Online course. I'll be leaving the link down in the description right now. So I'll be teaching you how you could literally make your first $100 online guaranteed. So right now, if you know you're interested in joining the course, make sure the link are going to be down in the description. So I'm just going to pop in right here on your screen, teach you how to make money online. Go check the video, go check out the video, and I'm going to see you guys in the video. Let's go.